Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm gonna share with you another new latest and important airdrop whose reward is absolutely confirmed, and the project is called Nexira. So basically Nexira, formerly known as MaviaGame, is a cross-game platform to trade, earn and own gaming assets. So their New Year's airdrop campaign is just live and you can join now. By completing simple tasks, you can claim boxes and earn Ruby rewards, which will be converted into NEXI tokens at TGE. So the best part is, if you check this article, they clearly mention that you don't have to wait too long for the reward because it runs from January 6 to January 31. So you just need to work consistently for 1 month. Before joining, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future airdrops. Also, most importantly, you need to join our Telegram channel where I share almost all the crypto airdrop updates. All links are in the description, so join now. To join the airdrop, I'll provide a Telegram post link in the video description. From there, you will find this page link. After landing here, first you need to click on Connect Wallet. Then you need to sign up using Google, or you can continue with Apple. So I'll select Google here. Then continue. And after that, as you can see, the account is created successfully. Next, what you need to do is click on Claim Your Reward Boxes now. Then this airdrop page will open. Here you have a daily check-in option, so don't forget to claim daily and earn different rewards. Next, you have to connect your social accounts such as X, Discord, Telegram, etc. So let's connect the X account first. Solve the CAPTCHA, then click on Link My Account. Authorize it. And done. Next, click on Discord. Authorize it. And done. Then click on Telegram. Join their channel. And done. After all three are connected, you will receive a gold box. Next, here is another social task. Basically, you need to post on X, so click on Proceed to Post. Then post it on X. After that, come back and click on Verify. Right now it shows an error. I'll complete it later. After that, here you have a referral option. You can share this with your friends, and if you get only 5 referrals, then you will receive 5000 Ruby points. Now scroll down a bit, and here you will also find New Year's campaign quests, so don't forget to claim the daily check-in for the next few days. Also, here you'll find another post option. Simply share this on your X account, and after that click on Verify. This may also show an error, so don't worry, try again later. So that's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Please like the video, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.